It's 4 a.m. right now and we're shooting Kasol Stadium now. So see you there. Bit of shooting. See, everyone is gathered around here and then we'll see what happens about the shoot. Yes, everyone is excited. Let's work hard to make this a big success. Start our act 3 and the final act. And yeah, I'm excited.
Appreciate it.
Okay, so fortunately we finished our day of shooting. So how's the day? Sana pinigay ko morning.
Osyam lo bread lo. Ini kayak ekdom ni harong pilo.
Happy, very happy.
Very happy. Mera lagi tiko.
Just very happy.
Tiko, aku member lebih betul.
Hindi nagsipat hula.
Very nice. It's awesome. It's very awesome.
Sana pinigay. Yeah, एकदम pinigay Allah. Amazing. And pinibang Alon dong chola and gadoi panda chorolo dap itu Michael level lah.
Chalo.
Pila lagi. Speaker bol. Pini pada gadoi panda chorolo. Porteng ke bang pot. Dan pini dan kasalong. Tulong pamila. Masih itu video nanglang dah perang po. Masih okay. Nanglang pamila. It's good. Sana sar pinigay. Parum tu nang po. I feel super proud.
Kala pingi nang harong lo mah.
Nang yarong ko lo. Pasuban shooting mah hedi. Patulong ko idel lo. Class
patulong ni. Nada hinangwan bo mi lo so feel long ha. Matarik.
Dong ning rong par lam lo.
Naning sam lo di.
Ning ang pilo ma. Engge?